The Little Red Hen. It's a story of a little red hen. So once upon a time, there was a little red hen who lived in a farm. Who lived in a farm. She was friends with a lazy dog, a sleepy cat, and a noisy yellow duck. And a noisy yellow duck. The little red hen has three friends. Who are the three friends? The lazy dog. One is lazy dog. Other is the sleepy cat. And the third one is the noisy yellow duck. You can see the pictures in your course book. There is one lazy dog. Lazy means who doesn't want to do any work. All the time the dog want to take rest. Okay, so lazy dog, a sleepy cat, and cat who likes to sleep all the time. And next, a noisy yellow duck, a duck who is very noisy. It is very noisy. All the time it go on shouting quack, 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 quack. Okay, so it's a noisy duck. Now, one day the little red hen found some seeds on the ground. The little red hen found some seeds on the ground. Okay. The little red hen had an idea. She would plant the seeds. What idea she got? What was the idea she got in her mind? That she want to plant those seeds. The red hen want to plant the seeds. The little red hen asked her friends, who will help me plant the seeds? Okay. So little red hen went to her friends. The little red hen went to her friends. Who were her friends? Lazy dog, sleepy cat, and a noisy duck. Okay. The little red hen went to her friends asking for the help. My dear friends, my dear dog, my dear cat, my dear duck, please will you help me in planting seeds? Can you help me? Then dog said, no. Bow, bow, bow. No, I am busy. Then, the little red hen went to the cat and asked for the help. Cat, cat, can you help me please? Then cat said, meow, meow. No, I am busy. Cat also said, no. Then the little red hen went to the yellow duck, noisy yellow duck. Duck, duck, will you please help me? Then duck said, quack, 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 quack. No, no. Then three of the friends said no. Dog said no. Cat said no. And duck also said no. Then the little red hen disappointed and it said, okay, then I will do it by myself. Then I will set the little red hen. So the little red hen planted the seed all by herself. Little red hen went, okay, it only went and you can see the picture on the screen. The little red hen went and it only planted the seeds in the on the ground. Now, who will help me to cut the wheat? Now the seeds has grown. Okay, seeds has grown. The plants has grown, and now it's ready to cut the wheat. So again, it went to her friends for asking help. friends, will you please help me to cut the wheat? Then what did they say? Then again the dog said, no, no, I am busy. Again, what did the dog say? No, whoa, whoa, no. Then cat also said, no, I am busy. Then again it went to the little red hen went to the duck. Duck also said, no. First, the red hen asked for the help to plant the trees, but they didn't help. Again, for the second time also, the red hen asked help to cut the seeds. Again, they refused. They were not helping the red hen. Okay. Now, then the red hen said, okay, I will do it by myself. And she did it all by herself. She went to the farm, she went to the field, and she only cut the, okay, wheat. When all the wheat was cut, the little red hen asked her friends, who will help me take the wheat to the mill, to the ground into flour? Now wheat is ready. She filled the sacks of, she filled the sack, and she now, the red hen want to take the wheat to the mill. What is mill, beta? A big factory where this seeds, this wheat is grinded, and it is flour is made with the, okay, wheat. So now red hen asked help to her friends, please help me to take this wheat to the mill. Did they help? What did you think? Did her friends help her to take the wheat to the mill? No. Again they said, bow, bow, no, I am busy. Meow, meow, no, I am busy. Quack, 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 I am busy. Three of them said, no, no, I am busy. Okay, then the little red hen said, okay, then I will take it by myself. And she alone took the wheat to the, you can see in this third picture how she is alone going to the mill to to make it into flour. Next, then, and carried the heavy sack. After the wheat flour is ready, she went again to her friends to ask help for making bread, for baking the bread. Now we have to bake the bread, no? Now wheat flour is ready. We have to make dough, and with the help of the dough, we have to bake the bread. Now it went for the help. My dear dog, my dear cat, my dear duck, please will you help me in baking the bread? Then again, the three friends refused to help. They said, no, 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 we are busy. The dog said, I am busy. The cat said, I am busy. And the yellow noisy duck said, I am busy. Then the little red hen said, okay, then I will do it by myself. Then the little red hen alone, she alone prepared the dough, and then she made the bread. She baked bread. And then again, the bread is ready now. Wow, the yummy, tasty bread is ready. Then, now it asked her three friends, dog, cat, and duck, come here. Who will help me in eating the bread? Who will help me in eating the bread? Then the dog said, I will eat. Cat said, I will eat. And then yellow duck also said, I will eat. See, when she asked help for the three of them, they never helped her. Yes, she only planted the seed. She only cut the wheat. She only took the wheat to the floor, to the mill, to grind it into the mill. Yes, yes, and she only made the little red hen only made bread. No one helped her. She was alone doing by herself. But now when the bread is ready, the three friends came to eat. What do you think, children? Is it good without helping, going and just eating? Yes, we have to help, right? When somebody is asking help to us, we have to help them. But here the three friends, they never helped and now they are ready to eat the bread. Then three of them said, I will eat, I will eat, I will eat. Okay. And then what did the red little hen said? Do you know? The little red hen said, what do you think? Did she give bread to the friends? What do you think? No. And the little red hen said, now, no. All the work done by myself. So bread will be eaten by myself. I will only eat the bread. I will not give to any one of you. And the it started eating by herself. Okay. All the bread was eaten by herself. This is the story of little red hen. And the same story you have in your global English also. But there is slight changes. A few changes are there when we compare to the course book story and the global English story. So now we have gone through the course book story, the little red hen. Now let us see the textbook story, what it is given in the global English. Okay. Take the global English page number 74. Everyone should open 74 of your global English. '74. Ready? The same red little hen story is given there. You can see there a beautiful red little hen in your textbook global English. Okay. But the friends are different. In our course book, the red little red hen has three friends: dog, cat, and duck. But here in the textbook, the little red hen has only two friends. Who are the two friends? Duck and chick. Duck and chick. See, the friends are different, no children? Yes? Duck and chick are the friends. Now let us see. Now hen got an idea here and she was making bread. Then for making bread, she wants some wheat or flour. Yes. So what she did, she was going there. Hello duck, hello chick. Can you please help me pick the wheat? Can you please help me in picking the wheat? Then duck said, sorry, I'm busy. And chick said, me too. Me too means I'm also busy. Okay. Then see the red hen, but it is picking wheat. Okay, by herself. I am picking the wheat myself. And then again, it asked help for the duck and chick. You can see there that there is a chick and duck. They were playing. They were playing, and here the hen is working hard. Here again, the red hen asked help for the duck and chick. Hello, duck. Hello, chick. Can you please help me grind the wheat? Can you please help me grind the wheat? What did the duck say? Sorry, I am busy. And chick also said, me too. I am also busy. Okay, then the red hen said, I am grinding the wheat by myself. I am grinding the wheat myself. See, it has taken a grinder and red hen, but it is grinding by herself. It is grinding in a grinder. And you can see the flour is coming out of the grinder. Yes. Now, in the next sixth picture, you can see number 6 picture box. Hello, duck. Hello, chick. Can you please help me make the bread? Now again the flour is ready. Again it is asking the help for the friends. Hello duck, hello chick, can you please help me in making the bread? Then what did they say? Did they help children? Did they help? No, they didn't. They did not help. They said, sorry, I'm busy. And me too. Both are busy all the time. They were not helping the red hen. Then what did the red hen said? Red hen said, okay, I am making the bread myself. Here again, she was making the bread by herself. Next, turn the page 76 and you see there. Will you? Now the bread is ready. Duck and chick came to the hen, the red little hen. Ah, beautiful smell. They were able to hear the smell of the bread. Ah, nice smell. Very nice. Then they came to the hen and asking, can we please eat your bread? See how mean? They didn't help, but now they were asking that, please, can we eat your bread? Then hen said, okay, I will give you bread, but will you wash the dishes? Will you sweep the floor? See here, in the course book, children, in the course book, that hen didn't give any bread to her friends. Yes, it said, no, I will not give. But here you see in the textbook, it's asking one more, it's giving a one more task to them. If you wash the dishes or if you sweep the floor, I will give you bread. Then duck said, yes, I will wash the dishes. And chick said, okay, I will mop the floor. And both were ready. You can see in the next picture, all together, the hen, chick, and yes, duck, all were sitting together on the table and they were enjoying the bread. And in the last picture, you can see chick was washing the dishes and duck was mopping the floor. Then hen said, thank you, chick. Thank you, duck. You are very helpful. So children, did you understand what is the difference between these two stories? In the course book, they were not helping. Okay. And hen ate all the bread by itself. But here you can see at last, finally, they helped. Yes, the duck and the chick helped the red hen and all together they ate the bread. Clear? Did you understand the difference? Can you show me thumb if you have understood? You got it? Let us see once again. Kritik, Sai Joshit. Yes, beta?
Ma'am,
Yes, Sai Joshit.
can you speak loudly?
Okay. Now, okay? Sai Joshit, okay? Okay, very good. So now you see, we will see some pictures here on the screen. You can see here in this picture, look at the screen, everyone. In this picture, you can see the red hen doing all the work by herself. She is picking the wheat. She is planting the, yes, she's planting the wheat. And next she's cutting by herself. And she's taking the wheat to mill by herself. And see the next picture here. First, this is the course book picture. You can see the hen went to the dog, cat, and yellow noisy duck asking for the help, but they didn't help her. And in the second picture, you can see here again it's asking, let's cut the wheat. Can you help? Then again they are telling no, no. Yes. What did they say? No, no, no. And next picture, you can see the bread is ready and how the hen is enjoying the bread. Yes, children? Will you also enjoy eating like that? Yes? Ah, good. good. Now let us see the characters of these two stories. Okay. Now listen carefully. Look at the screen. Here we have two parts. One is course book and the other is global English. And we have taken the characters. Let us see the characters here. The red little hen, the lazy dog, the sleepy cat, and a noisy yellow duck. Here we have four characters. Characters means the story about whom we are talking in the story. Okay, children. So see, four members are there here. Who are that four? The red little hen, the lazy dog, a sleepy cat, a noisy yellow duck. These four members are there in course book story. And see the global English story. How many characters are there? Three characters. Here the red little hen is common character, a duck and a chick. Okay. This is the difference. Two different characters we have in two different stories, and let us see some differences of these two stories. See beta, course book and global English, two stories I have given here. Some important differences you have to keep it in your mind. See, here in the course book, red hen found some seeds on the ground and planted the seeds. From in course book, what did we learn? We have learned that she found some seeds on the ground and she collected all the seeds and she has planted them. Yes, but in the global English you can see red hen found some seeds in the field and picked the wheat. Directly she got the seeds there. She didn't plant any seed. Directly she went to the field in the global English and she has collected the wheat from the field. Now, second point you can see, red hen took the wheat to the mill to be ground into flour. In course book, what did we learn? We have learned that it has taken the wheat to the mill. But in textbook, it has grinded it. It has grinded. Yes, in a grinder. By herself, she has grinded. Red hen grinded, okay, the wheat by herself. Now let us see the third point. Course book, third point, you see beta, the little red hen ate the bread all by herself. She didn't give any bread to her friend. All the bread ate by herself only. But in textbook, you can see the little red hen ate the bread with her friends. She has shared the bread with her friends and ate. Okay, these are the differences. Now let us see some similarities. What are same? Same in course book and same in global English also. What is same? Little red hen and little red hen are same. Yes, have you seen little red hen in course book? Show me thumb. Is there little red hen in course book? Yes. And is there little red hen in global English? Yes. In global English also we have little red hen, and in course book also we have little red hen. Okay. This is common. And second common thing is little red hen asked help to her friends to bake the bread. Yes. In both the stories they asked help to their friends. Did they ask? Yes. In course book also, the little red hen asked help for her friends, and in textbook also, little red hen asked help for her friends. And next one, third point, her friends didn't help her in baking the bread. In both the stories, did they help? First, when the hen asked help, did they help her? No. Both of them, they said, no, we will not help. We are busy. And in next one, see, she took wheat to make bread. Both has taken wheat to make the bread. Wheat is common in both the stories. Yes, children. Ronald, are you getting? In both the stories, what is common? Wheat is common. Wheat. Seeds are common, right? Yes. And in both the and in yes. And now you can see here bread. And when the bread was finished, when the bread is ready, her friends are also ready to eat the bread. In both the stories, friends didn't help, but they were ready to eat the bread. These are the similarities. Okay. Similarities we have discussed the differences and the characters of the two stories.